This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Located in the heart of Melbourne, but tucked away in a smaller community. Move-in ready. Beautiful etched glass front door. GREATROOM floor plan ideal for entertaining. Granite kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Large one-level island with room for 4 bar stools. Double door pantry. Split bedroom floor plan, inside utility room. Hurricane shutters. PVC fenced backyard with gates. Expansive truss covered porch on the entire width of the back of home, and plumbed for a summer kitchen. Great north/south exposure. You have unobstructed views of the lake from the front yard. Florida City natural gas. Tankless hot water heater. For more information, review the details below.